The day has finally arrived. My Mastashake hoodie has arrived in the mail. So this is going to be an unboxing or unwrapping of this dope ass hoodie. Shout out Negus King Ra, man. You did your thing on this design. Hold on, let me open this up. Oh man, hold on. I can't do this with one hand. We're gonna get this though. All right. So, you know, they have to have super resilient plastic. You can't just open with quickness. Oh man, this feels good already. Woo. All right. Oh snap. Oh snap. That's cold. That is cold. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Let me shake it loose. Oh, we got the cold life on the back. This shit is cold. Ah, man. Yo. Master motherfucking shake. Man. All right. Bet. All right. Cool. I'm going to pause this. We're going to put it on. I'm going to rock it. All right, cool. So this is what it looks like on me. So we got, there we go. Look, we got the Mastashake with the shake here. One of my Twitter followers made this dope design months ago. Man, all right, let's see the back. Can we see the back? Let me see. I'm gonna attempt this. Let me see. All right, there we go. Got that cold life right there. Let me get my hoodie. Put my hoodie up. Cold life. Once again, man, shout out Negus King Ra, bruh. Anybody who needs them graphic designs on any sort of clothing, man, this man is amazing. He does dope work. Check out teespring.com/Negus King Ra, I believe. I'm going to double check and put the link in the description of the video. But if you haven't liked and subscribed to this video, please do. I know I haven't made a video out in a minute. I'm getting back to it. Been really making my plans, setting things up for 2020. You feel me? So, you know, 2020, I'm going to be going back hard on the content creation, the live streams, the interviews. I have a lot of interviews I need to upload for my podcast, the Code Life Podcast. So I'll be looking for those. If you aren't following me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all of the above, just search Mastashake08. Mastashake08. Follow your boy. Holla at you later.